Now, although we already have our DKIM set up through our domain verification process, we're going to go to our email address and we're going to set up our notifications. And this is the second part of the process. And we're going to go into our email addresses. We are then going to go back to the email address and we're going to click View Details. When we get to these details, we're going to then click the notifications link and we're going to click the down arrow. And then we're going to click Edit Configuration. Now by default, we have email feedback forwarding on. That means then we're going to get bounce and complete notifications sent to us by the email address that we have on file. What we're going to do is we're going to make sure that we have our bounces, complaints, and delivery set up by topic. So we're going to click here to create a new Amazon SNS topic. Once we do that, we're going to click Create Topic. And then we're going to select the topic for our bounces. And we will select the one that we want. And then we'll do the same process for complaints and deliveries. Once we have our topics, we will then save this configuration. Then we will get notifications for bounces, complaints, and deliveries sent to our email, again, with specific topics in the email. And with that, we now have a basic setup for us to begin connecting our account to front-end systems for transactional email as well as notifications. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.